Hi everyone, my name is Khalid Saiduddin and in this tutorial I will teach you about concept of human resource management and purpose and role of human resource management. As you can see in the screen, human resource management aims to ensure that a business has the appropriate number of employees with the appropriate skills at the time and place that they are required. The role of human resource management in meeting organization objectives are as follows. First, recruitment. Recruit and select new staff when additional personnel are required. This is the first role of human resource manager. Second, induction. Arrange for new staff to be familiarized with the organization policies. Third, training. Organize any necessary training. This might be for new or existing personnel. Fourth, staff appraisal. Record key performance indicators and conduct staff appraisal. Fifth, counseling and training. Advise management and employees on issues such as staff training and development. Number 6, maintain discipline. Disciplinary and grievance procedure provide advice to employees and managers. And number 7, supervision. Monitor staff morale and welfare. Especially after COVID-19, the way of doing business has changed. So human resource management ensures that workforce planning, workforce audit is done in a very effective and efficient way. Basically, the strategic approach to the effective management of an organization employees so that they help the business gain a competitive advantage is the focus of any human resource department or human resource management manager. So, when the objective of any human resource manager is to gain a competitive advantage in the market, to reduce the cost and to increase the efficiency and effectiveness of the organization, the department plays a very important role in developing the employees of the organizations and connect with the stakeholders of the organization as well. This video is very important for students of IGCSE, IBDP, CIE, EdExcel, CBSE and CIE curriculums because this is a part of the curriculum and this topic mostly comes in the examinations, in the annual examinations, and it is very helpful for the students in the long run also because human resource management is very important whether you go into service sector or you do your own business. You have to deal with humans. You should know how to interact with humans, how to tackle different kind of problems which are connected to humans. So human resource management plays a very important role in 21st century to manage the employees and to increase the profitability of the organization. If you need more explanation to this topic, please do contact me on teachingandcoaching2020@gmail.com and my contact details are mentioned in this PPT. I'm really thankful to you for your valuable time for you have given to this video. Thank you so much. Thank you.